Hey friends, I'm heading into the deep jungle with just my backpack. We're showing you a hidden place in beautiful nature. Watch the full video. We crossed the drylands and entered the dense jungle, seeking a place to rest. Before nightfall, we reached a place with water to prepare our dinner. We had eaten the food we brought from home at noon. It's our first night, and we're preparing dinner. Meanwhile, let's take a look at some wildlife moments. You see a rare red flower blooming deep in the forest. Behind it is the place we used as our bathing spot on the first day, near a natural pond. This is where we collected water to prepare our meals.
Hả? Đâu nè? Tiếng à? Bé cái đào thì món này. Hả? Này. Esto es de...
Our old friends dropped by again, and we are cooking tinned fish together. Since animals often come to water sources, we cooked our dinner early and climbed onto a rock nearby, turning it into our shelter for the night. We lit a fire to stay safe from animals. It's one of the most thrilling adventures of my life. We heard many beautiful stories from our uncle, which gave us special insights. Thanks to him, we learned a lot about the wildlife around here and how to respect and live with it. After having dinner and some rest, a few of us went hunting under the moonlight, while the others lay down to sleep on the rocks. Hello, good morning. This is our second day. We're at a place called Idi Ela. After cooking, we're heading to the Ruk Aththana spring. Hey friends, we came to Ruk Aththana and will be staying here tonight. It took about 2 hours to get here from Idi Ela. After resting a bit, we cooked dinner and went for a bath. The next morning, we found wild honey before heading home. Thanks for watching, stay with us, and see you in the next adventure. Bye, Pring.
Yeah.